Look what I got today. Dumating na yung aking another lipstick from MAC. Dumating na yung aking in-order. Remember, umorder din ako ng Ruby Rose na lipstick from MAC. Ang in-order ko din na iba is itong Pure Clay Mask. Ayan, dumating na din siya kasi birthday ko tomorrow. I'm excited. I'm excited to see. Bale, actually, ito pala. Ano to eh? Teka nga, dyan ka nga muna. Ito kasi, anong tawag dito? Pure Clay Mask. Eclabo. Pampaganda daw ng skin. Exfoliate. Trinay ko rin. 89 crowns lang to. Ayan, dalawa na sila. Itong isa is as usual, yung aking ginagamit. Ayan, pudpud na nga siya. Okay, and then, this is the other one na kinuha ko. Wow! Ito na siya. Super red! Ang cute. At ang bango niya. Sabi nila, kapag fake daw yung binili mo, yung takip niya, hindi kakasya sa ibang lipstick na parehong MAC. Pag original siya, yung takip, kahit pagpalit-palitin mo silang dalawa, is kakasya pa din siya sa iba. Let's try it. Nice. Nice. That is it, guys. This is my new lipstick.
Day 4.
It's on winter now. Look, our balcony. It's starting to get a little cold. And the color of the tree, it's starting to change. Look. You see? It's starting to turn yellow. Yeah, that. And later on, my cat is running. Good morning. So later is magpipitas tayo ng, what is that, baby? Barela Palumon. Hey.
Hi. We're gonna pick some plommon.
Fall season is coming, guys. Magpupulot kami ng plumon. The grass is so wet. Mist. Super mist. And then, may apple na, oh. Pwede na tayong mamulot ng apple. Pwede nang mamunga. Pwede nang mag-harvest ng apple. Kola. Uy. See, may apple na. Chita, may apple na. Pwede nang Do you think we can pick it now or we just wait? You see? May apple na dito, guys. I think sa susunod na mga araw, pwede na namin tong, bunutin or i-harvest. Look.
It should be more apples.
Meron na sa mga lupa. Kinakain kasi yan ng, ng deer. Ay, kasi pangit. Namumulot na siya ng plumon. Oh. Basa na yung rubber shoes ko. Oh, puro mist. Cool. You see? Mist. And this is the big pine tree. I think this is a different kind of pine tree. Ang taas-taas na niya, oh. Yan. Minsan may mga nagtatago dyan na hayop eh. Merong rabbit. Na niyo yung sahig. Andun yung mga apples. Ito yung plumon. Oh, you get now, baby. Let's check. Can you see? Ayan yung mga plumon. Oh, masisira na lang siya.
The one at the top, I think, is the best.
Kola, ang dami. Ang dami niya.
Titta här. The biggest one is the best.
Yeah. Ayan, namumulot na. Nag-harvest kami ng plumon. You see? Ang dami. Plumon. Kita, kola. Do I need to get the one that is not pink?
I think just if they are big, I think they are good. Oi, that was a big
That
one.
is nice, right? It's bigger. Hala. Go ahead. Oh, we have so much blue moon. You know, guys, this is very healthy. Kung masakit ang tiyan nyo, kung hindi kayo nagtatae, this one. Madami kami nito, ayan no. See? Wow, I will eat this all.
That's a lot, baby.
Yeah, this is mine.
That is for several days.
Yeah, for me. How about you?
Yes.
Itong mga apples, wala siyang bunga. Ito lang. Ito lang yung may bunga. Right? This is the only one has a fruit.
Shall we take this one?
You like that?
I think it is ready.
Cinderella.
So.